Alrighty, we've got something really exciting to check out today from Davoom. They've actually sent me over their Pixoo 64 Pixel Art Cloud frame to check out and review and show you guys what this offers. It's pretty much like a pixelated screen thing, as you guys can see from the photo here, that you can customize, which is really cool. It's an app, you download it, and I think you can customize. I haven't done anything, so this is going to be a whole new experience for both of us. I know you can put on here, it says here, music visualizer, pixel lighting, decoration, crypto and stock tracker, social media counter. So something to have on your desk, I guess, as a little bit of a talking piece, and a bit of information as well that will be, I guess you can read. There's time, there's weather and whatnot. Very interesting. Let's check out what they've sent over, and yeah. The unboxing of the Davoom Pixoo 64. Again, like I showed you guys before, a few graphics on the front and a few bits of information on the back as well. Let's get this open. Alright, Pixoo 64. Take this out first. Maybe some accessories, I'm assuming. Power cable, maybe? These little screw things and some like grommet things. I don't know what they are. We're going to find out. And then we also get a braided USB-C to USB-A Davoom actual style cable, which looks pretty cool. We do get a couple other things here. I guess this is an instruction manual for the device itself. Shows you all the setup features and whatnot. I'm assuming there's different languages as well. Let's put the box to the side. Let's look at the main star. This slides out, and we have some more protection around this. All right, and here it is as well. There's USB-C at the bottom. I'm assuming that's for power. This back here, I don't even know what this does. That comes out for some reason. Maybe you can hang it from there. I don't know what all these different features are, guys. Let's get a power cable up in here and plug it in. We've got a USB-C cable here. Let's try it out. Oh, there we are, guys. As you guys can see, all those little squares are the little pixels, which looks really, really cool. Factory restore or restart. Restart, factory restore. I don't know. I am not sure what to do. If we go to the App Store, there's a Davoom app here, guys. You put Davoom in, you will see Pixel Art Community. That's the app you want to get, the Pixel Art Community Davoom app. Now, I'm hoping that you can connect it somehow to it. I don't know how that's going to work or whatever it says. I'm just gonna do what it says. We're opening the app here. I'm gonna allow it to find the device. All right, let's add the device first. Let's see if anything comes up. All right, it is now searching. We've logged in. It is now searching. No device found, it says. Let's go. Is it on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth search? Anything at all? Waiting to configure. Okay, there it is. It says disconnected. Oh, there we go. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. This is really, really cool. Hopefully it connects. I don't even know my password. I just guessed it. In person, it looks really cool. Even on camera, it's actually picking it up really, really well. So that is really cool to see that. And hopefully it connects. Connecting to server now. Connected. There we go. Hot. Oh my god, this is different art that you can see. I don't know what that is. Okay. And then now, from the app, guys, you can customize anything you want. So if I click on this one here, use it. How do I enable it? Okay, let's click tick. If I do that, does it show it here? There we go. It's got the weather. It's definitely not 27 degrees, so I don't know where this is set up. It's definitely not 4 o'clock, so I've got to change all that. But this is really, really cool. There's also a YouTube one. I need to set that up for my YouTube account. So as you guys can see, it'll tell you your subscriber count, and that is really, really cool. View count, that is awesome. That's the one, 16,500, guys. So this is really, really cool. And then you can go into the individual thing on here and change individual settings, which is fantastic. Change your time zone. I don't know why it says 4 o'clock. It's wrong. 6 o'clock. Beautiful. And it tells me the date, setting saved. Monday the 7th, which it is, at 6 o'clock, 2020. Perfect, guys. This is really, really cool, guys. So, again, there's a bunch of different things you can do on here, and I think from people, they actually make their own ones from the looks of it. As you guys can see, my phone there is displaying the small version. This is the big version. This is really cool. Alright, guys, so this is the unboxing part of the Pixoo 64, which is so far so good. Really, really cool. Pretty awesome, very unique. We're going to go into a review of this product, and I'm going to let you guys know my final thoughts on it coming up after this. So stay tuned. Thank you so far for watching, and let's hop into the review of the Pixoo 64. Here is my final review on the Devoom Pixel 64. So I've actually had this probably for a couple months now. As you guys can see here, if you've ever noticed it, it's always sitting back here in my videos now. It's probably blurred out because of my aperture, and it's always on like 2.8, so it's always blurred out in the background. But this always sits back there with my YouTube stats. As you guys can see, Mad Matt, it's got my subscriber count, it's got the time, the date, and this is showing a live update of my YouTube subscribers and my view count as well, which is fantastic. And this is one of the many things that this can do. This is like a digital picture frame, but in a unique way. It's obviously, you can upload your own photos to this, but as you guys can see that there is these square pixels that make up this display. So it obviously isn't the highest quality. It's not meant to be the highest quality display. It's meant to show your work, your artwork, your photos. It can show you different things like it can on this YouTube, countdowns and that kind of stuff in its own unique way, which is fantastic. So it actually has got, I think it says 64 by 64 pixels to give you this unique pixel look. My favorite thing with this is, obviously it's one of those things you kind of leave in the background and have up. It's like a talking piece. So on your desk, whether you want this up in the background, like my videos, you see it up there. Obviously, it'd be more unique if I could have it around me that you could actually see it. I know in the background it's a bit hard to see sometimes because of my f2.8 aperture that blurs that out. But if it didn't, you would see it all the time in the background, and it's really, really cool to see. But if you've got a gaming setup, you're streaming, something like that, sitting on your desk, this is great because you can see your live subs and all that kind of stuff while doing what you're doing. So it is fantastic. So again, I'll put it on screen here. You can put your Twitch subs on here right now, which is fantastic. So can you imagine streaming and having this on your desk with your Twitch subs? I think it's pretty unique. I don't actually live stream, so it's nothing it won't work with me. That's why I got my YouTube one up. You can also get onto the app. Now, onto the app, there's so many different things you can do on the app. I will show you on screen here, but the community uploads their own artwork, which is fantastic. And then you can put that artwork onto this as well, which is great. So as you guys can see, I'm going to choose something here quite unique, and I'm going to be like, you know what, I want that, and look how quick it is. It just uploads it straight to this, and as you guys can see, I've got a new piece of artwork. Now, if you want something a bit more creative, I guess, there's that too. So as you guys will see now, it gets more creative. So a lot of people do upload their own artwork, which is really, really cool. You can also upload your own photos, which is fantastic. So if I upload my own photos, you guys will see here a photo of my head. There you go. And then you can customize different things within the pixels. Again, everything to do with this is integrated through the app, which is really, really, really cool. You can also upload a Bitcoin one. I don't have anything connected to this, but this shows you your Bitcoin. Again, something that's pretty unique. If you had, don't know why it says, yeah, I don't know whose Bitcoin that is. That isn't mine, except that's mine. Then yeah, it'd be fantastic, but it's not. But again, it shows you the date, time, all that kind of stuff. It is really, really unique. I really, really do like it. Again, if you're into stocks, again, something you can have on your desk or in your office. It shows you the different stocks for the day. Fantastic. I think this is really, really cool. Awesome concept idea. And I think in an office, it would look really good on a wall. In your house, in your, say, desk area, your man cave area, I think this would look really, really cool. Also, this one's pretty cool. It shows you the weather. I like this one. It's fantastic. Gives you the updates, connected to the internet, USB-C plugged in. There's a button on the side here to change the different modes. So you can, yeah, alter what you want. Like, look at this one. Look how good that is. Someone made that. Like, that's fantastic. If you guys are interested, check it out. There is so many use cases for this, more than what you actually think, which is really, really, really cool. And again, like I said, USB-C to plug in, so it's very easy to access. You can even run it off a power bank. If you want to set it up somewhere remote for whatever time, you can do that. As long as there's an internet connection, you can do that, and it is fantastic. That easy to do. So they are $240 on sale right now. So go and check them out. That's 240 Australian dollars. I think US was 150, maybe 140, something like that. Check it out. I'll leave links in the description down below. Devoom, thank you for sending this out. I really do appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in this really unique piece, it is really cool. Check it out. I really, really do like it. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for the cat. As you can see, you guys can see that cat. It's pretty cool. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And Devoom, thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate you sending this over. You guys have done a really, really good job. Yeah.